a great choice today with the 2014 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.